Hey guys, in this video I'm going to let you know the rewards or benefits that are available with Santander Bank's credit card. So the Santanders offer several credit cards, each with its own set of rewards and benefits. Here are some of the common features and perks associated with Santander Bank's credit card. The first thing is many Santander Bank's credit card offers cashback on purchases. For example, the Santander Ultimate Cash. The credit card offers ultimate 1.5% cashback on all purchases. Likewise, some Santander credit card like the Santander's Ultimate Cashback credit card comes with no annual fees, making them cost effective for users who want reward without additional costs. And Santander often provides introductory 0% APR on purchases and balance transfer for specified people, which can be beneficial for new card holder looking to transfer a balance or making large purchases without immediate interest charge. And Santander credit card includes zero liability fraud protection, ensuring cardholders are not responsible for unauthorized transactions as well. So the availability of a specific card and benefits may vary based on the location and including qualification. Individuals' qualification. It is always a good idea to check the latest terms and conditions on the Santander's official website or contact their customer service for the most up-to-date or accurate information. So that is all for this video. I hope the video is helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.